It is Thursday, and that means we are back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, Lynn shows us a healthy way to make potato chips. Let's check it out.
Sweet potatoes are a delicious, versatile root vegetable that also happen to pack a very nutritious punch. They are very rich in fiber, vitamin A and C, niacin, and potassium. They were first cultivated over 5,000 years ago in Central and South America, and they can just have so many things you can do with them. You can bake them, you can roast them, you can boil them, you can mash them. Don't forget the leftovers, because you can mash them up and stir them into your oatmeal or your pancake batter, and they just really add a nice, delicious, and colorful addition to your meal. Today we're going to be making sweet potato chips. They're super easy to make at home, and again, you can buy these, but remember, whenever you make something at home, you control the ingredients that go into it, the sugar, fat, salt, preservatives, and the most important ingredient I like to think of is love. So we get to add a little bit of that into our food. Now, you can always use something like a mandolin, but I am a person that typically tends to not use a lot of extra kitchen gadgets. Not only are those things very dangerous and they're really rough on the fingers if you're not using all the protective guards and things like that, but there's so many things that we can do with just knives and cutting boards and things like that in our kitchen, and we don't always need all the gadgets. So all I'm going to do today, I've got a knife here, keep my fingers out of the way, and I'm going to slice these as thin as I can get them with the knife. And if they break in half, that's okay. They just make for more interesting chips. Put them here. I'm going to put them in my bowl. One that's really thick. Hurt my fingers here. Put that off to the side. There we go. And then I've got a little bit of olive oil. You can use whatever kind of cooking oil you want. And I'm going to drizzle, I'd say about a little over a tablespoon in here. They aren't getting all of this, and I'm cooking them on a piece of parchment paper as well. But what I'm doing is just tossing them around, getting them good and coated, and then I'm laying them out on our baking sheet. The larger the baking sheet, the more of these you can do, of course, and they do start to shrink as you cook them. I just fit all those extra little pieces around the sides and in the middle. They all cook up just as well, and they're delicious little crunchy bits. Off some of that excess oil. And these are going in a 300-degree oven for about 20 to 35 minutes. After about 20 minutes, you're going to want to start checking them. Some of them will be ready to come out. Some might need to be flipped and have a little bit longer depending on how thick they are. But when they're all finished, what you get is this lovely little plate of crispy sweet potato chips. And they're really delicious. Again, we controlled all the ingredients, so they're pretty good for us too, and they're a nice addition to our meal. I hope you enjoy this one. It's a good one, and if you do, let us know how you did.